Okay, the diagram shows a straight line graph. Okay, find the gradient of the straight line. So to get the gradient, right, we need to draw a triangle. Okay, so that we are actually measuring the slope of this line. Okay, so that's what gradient is. It's measuring the steepness of a line. So to form a triangle, we just need to choose two nice points. Okay, and don't just pick 2 points at random, pick points that are nice. So for instance, this point here is nice because x is 0 and y is 3. This is a nice point to consider. And then maybe we can choose this point here, x is 2. Okay, when x is 2, y is 7. Now the scale is quite hard to read in this sense, but maybe I could use a ruler just to make sure I lined that up properly. And yeah, x is 2 there, and y is 7. Okay, so those 2 points, I'm now going to form a triangle. Okay, with my triangle, I then work out the rise here. Okay, this vertical distance here, so that there's 7, and we 3 down here. So that height there, that difference there is going to be 4. And then if you read across here, okay, that difference there across here is actually 2, isn't it? Okay, it's actually less than that. It's 2. The reason why it's less than that is because of the scale here is different, isn't it? Okay, the scale here is much more spread out than the vertical scale. So we've got 2 here going across because it goes from 0 to 2. So then to get the gradient, you need to divide the rise, okay, by the step. Okay, so you're going to divide the rise, which is 4, by the step here, which is 2. Okay, and you get your answer then, which is 2. And it's 4 divided by 2 is 2, and it's positive 2. Okay, because it's a positive gradient here. This line is sloping upwards, isn't it? Okay, and you do step across 2 and you go up 4. Okay, so it'll be 4 divided by 2. Gradient is 2, positive 2, because it's sloping upwards. Okay. Then it says write down the equation of the straight line in the form y equals mx plus c. Now, equations of a straight line are in this format, okay? Y equals mx plus c. The m stands for the gradient, okay? So the value in front of the x must be the gradient. So in this case, it would be y equals 2x, because the gradient is 2, isn't it? We've worked that out in part A. So m becomes 2, okay? The plus c is easy bit because C is where the line intercepts the y-axis. Okay, so the y-intercept. Okay, and you can see here that the line intercepts the y-axis at 3 there. So we're going to be adding on 3. That's what C is. So the line has a form y equals 2x plus 3.